You are listening from Story Collection YouTube channel. Good morning. The headlines. Parties brace for verdict, EC promises transparency. US choices are impossible, operation or bad deal. Iran. 9 dead as major fire rips through residential building in Vivek Vihar. Nepal raises Lipulekh issue. India says no historical records. CM expressed grief, promised full support to affected families. CM unveils rupees 48.204 crores 97-kilometer Delhi metro project. AAP states steer over Bihar youth murders. Received information on FIRs, Pathak, Dalit women worker raise voice against exploitation, bribery. Dipender campaigns for Haryana civic force accuses BJP of graft in local bodies. Maharashtra Congress to protest against anti-farmer policies today. BJP delegation calls on governors 6 reports on Punjab CM Kanda. Saini attacks Punjab, CM demands white paper on AAP vows. Soren rise of President PM seeking Sarna releases court provision for tribals in census. Passengers from Saharja detained after he opens emergency exit door, runs on tarmac. Allies map out scenarios at Kerala, awaits poll result. Prohibitory orders in Dhulda as AAP MLA returns from prison. Skilling in all AI will soon be essential across professions. You are listening from Story Collection YouTube channel. Good morning. The headlines. Parties brace for verdict, EC promises transparency. US choices are impossible, operation or bad deal. Iran. 9 dead as major fire rips through residential building in Vivek Vihar. Nepal raises Lipulekh issue. India says no historical records. CM expressed grief, promised full support to affected families. CM unveils rupees 48.204 crores 97-kilometer Delhi metro project. AAP states steer over Bihar youth murders. Received information on FIRs, Pathak, Dalit women worker raise voice against exploitation, bribery. Dipender campaigns for Haryana civic force accuses BJP of graft in local bodies. Maharashtra Congress to protest against anti-farmer policies today. BJP delegation calls on governors 6 reports on Punjab CM Kanda. Saini attacks Punjab, CM demands white paper on AAP vows. Soren rise of President PM seeking Sarna releases court provision for tribals in census. Passengers from Saharja detained after he opens emergency exit door, runs on tarmac. Allies map out scenarios at Kerala, awaits poll result. Prohibitory orders in Dhulda as AAP MLA returns from prison. Skilling in all AI will soon be essential across professions. The news in detail. The Election Commission on Sunday said it would uphold the highest standards of transparency, security and efficiency when votes poll in the election to the Assemblies of Assam, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal and Puducherry and the by-polls in 7 assembly constituencies in 5 states are counted on Monday. For West Bengal, the EC had deployed 165 additional counting observers to assist counting observers and 77 police observed to conduct a secure, peaceful, intimidation-free and transparent environment. Excluding confidence, the political parties and friends are watching the counting preparation closely. In Assam, the Congress Late front of six parties hopes to set the opposition's stake by preventing the BJP's led National Democratic Alliance (NDA) from scoring a hat-trick of wins. Both the alliance are confident about weighing at least 64 seats and a majority marks in 126 members assembly, while the chief ministers Hemanta Biswa Sarma helm BJP has predicted close to 100 seats for NDA. The Gaurav Gogoi steered Congress in confidence of a similar number for the Assam Samiton Morcha to return to power after 10 years. With just 10 hours left for the counting of the vote poll in the April 9 election, Kerala voters' turnout was undated provisionally to 79.7% on Sunday as election officials factor in 20,028 postal ballots of service voters polled till May 1. The leadership of all three fronts were confident about the result. 9 persons were killed in a major fire at a residential building in East Delhi's Sahadara in the early hours of Sunday. 15 people were brought to safety by rescue teams. 5 of the dead were from one family. The fire was reported around 3:48 a.m. in the building in the Vivek Vihar Phase 1 residential complex. Eyewitnesses said the fire broke out on the ground floor, likely from an air conditioner, and quickly spread to the 3rd floor above. Delhi Fire Service DFS officials said the blaze was brought under control around 6:25 a.m. Several of the injured were taken to nearby hospital, while the search continued through the morning. Most of them were deceased, immediately officials said. Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri's upcoming visit to Nepal came under a shadow on Sunday, with Nepal expressing concern to both India and China over the next season of Kailash Manasarovar Yatra to the Kalfani Limpia Dutta Lipulekh region. Nearly 150 Dalit women, mostly from the Valmiki community, employed the sanitation workers, housekeeping staff, domestic workers, and daily wages, along with the workers' union group from different states, gathered on Sunday at the Constitution Club of India for a public hearing on their issues. Many workers at the hearing, organized by the Dalit Adivasi Shakti Adhikar Manch, alleged that the bribery was common for securing both temporary and permanent jobs in government institutions. Caste continues to determine occupational role, reinforcing stigma and everyday discrimination. We are not asking for posts of district magistrate, but access to education and basic dignity are our constitutional right, said Usha Vishwakarma, who travelled from Lucknow to attend the hearing. The Aam Aadmi Party AAP Purvanchal wing staged a protest outside Chief Minister Rekha Gupta's residence on Sunday against the killing of Pandit Kumar, a 21-year-old delivery executive from Bihar, allegedly by Bihar police constable in the Binadupur Zafarpur Kalan area on April 26. The family alleged that the accused hurled caste slur at Kumar before opening fire. According to sources in Delhi police, the constable has been suspended and an inquiry has been initiated. However, family members have accused the police of protecting their own. Several protests have been organized demanding action against the constable, with eyewitnesses claiming that Kumar was attacked for his Bihar identity. Delhi's metro work will expand by 97 kilometers with 7 new corridors and 65 stations under Phase BP. Chief Minister Rekha Gupta said on Sunday at Delhi Metro Rail Corporation DMRC 32nd Foundation Day. A passenger arriving in Chennai caused a flutter when he opened the emergency exit door and ran on the tarmac on Sunday. As a result, an international flight bound for the city was diverted to Bengaluru. Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren on Sunday wrote to the President Draupadi Murmu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi seeking provision for Sarna religion code in the census 2027. He underscored that the Sarna religious code is necessary to identify tribal communities as distinct from followers of other religions to protect their constitutional right. Despite the absence of dedicated Sarna category in the 2011 census, about 50 lakhs people across 21 states had identified themselves as Sarna in religion column, Mr. Soren stated in the letters to the President and the Prime Minister. Jitu Munda, who carried the skeleton remains of the sisters to rural bank of Odisha Keonjhar district, has proof of her death to withdraw money from her account on Sunday, said he does not want any action against the bank of officers who allegedly harassed him. It is a fact that they harassed me, but I do not want any action against them after receiving money, he said. Meanwhile, the government probe into the matters is underway. Revenue Minister Suresh Pujari held the bank officers responsible for the incident. The government will recommend action against the bank officials, he said. Iran Revolutionary Guard on Sunday said the United States faced a choice between an impossible military operation or a bad deal with Tehran. Negotiations between the two countries have been deadlocked since a ceasefire came into effect on April 8, with only one round of direct peace talks held so far. Before ending the bulletins, the headlines once again. Parties brace for verdicts, EC promises transparency. 9 dead as a major fire rips through residential building in Vivek Vihar. Nepal race in the Lipulekh issue, India says no historical record. This is the end of the news bulletin. Have a nice day.